Hello friends, myself Professor Shantaya Gurmat, Department of Botany, MGVC Arts, Commerce and Science College, Muthebiyal, Karnataka State. Today's class we discuss about part 7, types of nurseries. A nursery is a portion of land dedicated to propagate plants, provide nourishment for initial times, grow young seedlings and finally sell out for transplanting for commercial agriculture, horticulture or hobby gardening like kitchen gardening. The final step selling might differ depending on the type of nursery. Types of nursery in agriculture. Types of nursery based on needs and possibilities. The first one is based on the time period. Second one is based on plant grown. Third one is based on structure. Fourth one is based on landscape. Lastly, based on sale. The first one is the temporary. Basically there are two kinds of nurseries. One is temporary nursery and permanent nursery. First, we discuss about temporary nursery. Temporary nursery are season based. The nursery stock is supplied for a certain period. The production is stopped when the requirement is fulfilled. The best example is rice seedling and vegetable nursery. Second one is permanent nursery. This is a nursery that does not on the season and the owner uses it for commercial purposes. This is the reason this land could be of any dimensions required by the owner. Relatively larger than the temporary nursery, this type of nursery has all the structures like a selling point, compost pit, nursery beds, office, guard room, etc. Example, nursery of forest plants, the nursery of fruit plants. These planting material can be seeds or vegetative parts of the plant. Asexual propagation methods like air layering, grafting, budding can also be used. Then types of nursery based on plant grown. The first one is fruit plant nursery. It is an example of a permanent type of nursery as the living period of these plants is large. Since vegetative propagation is easier and takes less time to provide a true type of plants as in comparison with sexual propagation. It is prepared for fruit plants. One can also produce grafts to sell as well as the permanent mother plants are there. The best examples are Goa, which provides scion and root stocks are also. Air layering is also common in fruit plants nurseries. Nursery of apple, walnut, peach, etc. are highly grown business and have wide scope for temperate area enterprises. Second one is vegetative plant nursery. Vegetable crops vary from seasonal, annual to perennial crops. The best examples are brinjal, tomato, onions, and most vegetables are grown by seedlings. It is a widespread practice in kitchen gardening. Vertical gardening is a fashionable idea to grow gourds, flat beans, etc. in urban houses with less spaces. This is about vegetable plant nursery. Next one is ornamental plant nursery. This type of nursery is a very popular and can do international business. The aesthetic use of flowers, succulents, and other ornamental plants makes it a market a bigger place. Today, with increasing day to day stress, people have become aware of the importance of ornamental plants in home. Hence, the various types of plants with the different varieties have appeared in the market. Then the fourth one is medicinal and aromatic plant nursery. The people have started to adopt rearing these plants and use them daily in one way or another instead of depending upon allopathic medicines only. The essential oils present in these plants and their aroma due to this provides health and aesthetic sense. Fifth one is forest nursery. People who think the road to development goes from between the forest keep destroying it in the same of planting new trees in a similar size of land. Forest plant nurseries can be invested upon privately and in collaboration with the forest department. Sixth one is high-tech nursery. These nurseries are often maintained under shade nets, glass houses, greenhouses, and other protected structures. In some plants, fashion in these labs are gerbera, syngonium, and call lily. Seventh one is agricultural crop nursery. These nurseries are temporary in nature and the land area used for these later added to the land for cultivation. The example is rice nursery. According to the structure of nursery, the open and closed nursery. The first one is open nursery. This type of nursery is low cost and low maintenance nursery. Second one is closed nursery. This type of nursery has a spatial overhead structures to provide a definite amount of sunlight for plants like a greenhouse, glass house and shade nets. And according to the landscape, the first one is horizontal nursery. Almost all the nurseries in nature they spread through the land area covering it as a whole. The people owning optimum or large land, the people requiring small nursery as a part-time hobby or kitchen garden find it best. Next one is vertical nursery. The increasingly urban and multi-story building culture space has reduced too many folds for people staying in cities. And according to the type of sale, first one is the retail nursery. These nurseries do not sell directly to the people to grow them at home gardens. Last one is wholesale nursery. These nurseries grow their plants in bulk to cater to the needs of big clients like florists, commercial farmers, and other small nurseries. Okay, thank you, friends. We meet in the next video.